I'm going to show you how to create a slideshow. It all starts with a plugin. Plugin's name is NextGen. I've used it for years. I like it because well, it always works and it's easy to use. And I should have gone to plugins, add new, but I didn't. Now this plugin is already installed in this WordPress software, but I'm going to show you. This is the name of it, NextGen, and just let WordPress find it. Here it is right here. Make sure it's by Photocrate Media, and just this would say install now like this does over here, but it's already installed. But anyway, when you click that to install it, it will bring you to a page that asks you if you want to activate the plugin. Click activate, and then it will take you back to the plugins page where all of your installed plugins are. So that's what happens there. However, when you install NextGen, now we're going to add it to a page, it puts a little icon on the toolbar, which makes it even easier to use. I'll show you here. This right here is a little icon, and that's how you add a slideshow. I already have one loaded, don't get rid of it. So to load one on, we just click this, and it's going to ask us a few particulars about what we want. One of the really cool things about this NextGen plugin is that you can do everything from your visual editor on the page. We're technically still on that page. So we want a slideshow. We need to add a gallery. Come up with a name. Oh, I don't know. Even though it's not just burgers, but anyway, add files. Takes you out to your computer to the source. You have to load these images from the source, whether you have them on a thumb drive or they're on your hard drive or wherever. It's going to take you out to the source, so you have to load them into the plugin. This is separate from your media library, so keep that in mind. Okay, we'll just get these three. There's a choose button right under where my cursor is off of the screen. Just hit choose. Tell it to so it'll upload all these, and it will create a gallery called burgers. And we'll add that to our page. Okay, it's done. We go back to display galleries. What would you like to display? Well, a gallery. Which one? Burgers. Customize the settings. Make sure you set this to your image sizes. Try it when you're creating images for a slideshow, make them all the same size. And in this case, they're 555 by 359. Now, let's just say you didn't set it right. Let's just say this is wrong, and we'll put it up at 8. The fade, this is the effect between the slides. This is pretty standard. There are others. You play around with them, see what you like. This is far too long. That's how long each slide stays visible. And I always get rid of these. Well, not always, but mostly. Hit save. It'll place it in there. Save our page. Hit update. Let's take a look. I have slow internet. I apologize. See, there's a big old burger. And I had too much space. Remember, I added all that extra space. And this is what happens when you don't have it set correctly. So to fix that, go back to Edit Page. and we'll just click on the photograph that's a placeholder for our slideshow. And that launches us back into this editor. Come to customize and put this down to where it should be. Save it. And let's see what this looks like. See? Much better. So that's how you use and create a slideshow. So if you get this, show thumbnails, this is why I usually turn this off. I'll show you how to get rid of it. Because if you click on that, your slideshow turns into a bunch of thumbnails. And that's what you get. So go back and edit page. This is where you get rid of the thumbnails. So it won't have the link and it won't have the thumbnails. Save it and check it out. See, that link is gone. You just have a slideshow. And I think it looks cleaner. So there you go.